Axis Communications P4707 PLVE Review, a dual-sensor panoramic camera that redefines surveillance. The Axis Communications P4707 PLVE, part of the P47 series, is a cutting-edge dual-sensor panoramic camera that combines advanced technology, robust design, and exceptional image quality. Designed to provide superior surveillance solutions, this camera is ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications. Here's why this camera stands out in the crowded market of security solutions. 1. Design and build quality. The P4707 PLVE boasts a sleek, durable design that aligns with Axis's reputation for quality. The robust casing ensures durability against harsh weather conditions, making it perfect for outdoor use. 2. Dual sensor technology. Equipped with dual sensors, the camera delivers seamless panoramic coverage. This feature eliminates blind spots and reduces the need for multiple cameras, saving costs on installation and maintenance. 3. High-resolution imaging. With 1080p resolution per sensor, the P4707 PLVE captures crisp, detailed footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. The wide dynamic range, WDR, further enhances image clarity, balancing light and dark areas effectively. 4. Optimized ear for night vision. The camera features optimized ear technology, which ensures clear nighttime visibility. Whether monitoring parking lots, warehouses, or large campuses, this feature ensures round-the-clock security. 5. Panoramic coverage. This model excels in providing 180-degree panoramic coverage, reducing the need for multiple devices. It's an ideal solution for covering large areas such as retail stores, airports, and stadiums. 6. Ease of installation. The P4707 PLVE is designed for hassle-free installation, featuring a compact design and versatile mounting options. Its straightforward setup process minimizes downtime and ensures quick deployment. 7. AI-powered analytics. Integrated with advanced AI-powered analytics, the camera offers features like motion detection, intrusion alerts, and object tracking. These smart capabilities enhance surveillance efficiency. 8. Weatherproof and vandal-resistant. Rated IP66 and ICTIN, the camera is both weatherproof and vandal-resistant. This makes it a reliable choice for high-risk areas, ensuring uninterrupted performance. 9. Edge storage capabilities. The P4707 PLVE supports edge storage, enabling local recording. This ensures continuous monitoring even during network disruptions, enhancing reliability. 10. Seamless integration. Axis ensures seamless integration with existing security systems. The camera is compatible with popular video management software, VMS platforms, simplifying operations. 11. Environmentally friendly. This model is engineered with energy efficiency in mind. It aligns with Axis's commitment to sustainability, consuming less power without compromising performance. 12. Axis ZipStream technology. The ZipStream technology optimizes bandwidth usage, ensuring high-quality video streams without overloading network resources. This makes it cost-effective for businesses. 13. Audio features. The camera supports two-way audio, enabling real-time communication. This feature is valuable for access control and visitor management. 14. Wide application use. From retail and hospitality to industrial and government sectors, the P4707 PLVE caters to diverse surveillance needs thanks to its versatility and advanced features. 15. User-friendly interface. The intuitive user interface simplifies camera management, making it accessible even for those with limited technical expertise. Pros and cons. Pros: dual sensor technology for comprehensive coverage. Outstanding night vision with optimized ear. Robust, weatherproof design. AI analytics for smarter surveillance. Easy integration with existing systems. Cons: slightly higher initial cost compared to basic models. Requires technical knowledge for advanced configurations. Who should buy the P4707 PLVE? The Axis P4707 PLVE is perfect for businesses and organizations that need reliable, scalable, and feature-rich surveillance solutions. Its advanced capabilities make it a valuable investment for long-term security. Final verdict: the Axis Communications P4707 PLVE sets a new benchmark in surveillance technology. With its dual sensors, panoramic coverage, and smart analytics, it delivers unmatched performance and value. While it comes with a premium price tag, the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial investment. If you're looking for a top-tier panoramic camera, the Axis P4707 PLVE is a game-changer you shouldn't miss. Would you like assistance purchasing this camera or finding more information? Let me know.